it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be talking about seam rippers. Seam rippers are one of those things that you will need no matter how experienced you end up being, because no matter what, there will be some point when you need to remove stitches from something that you've made, whether intentionally or unintentionally. For the anatomy of the seam ripper, we have a two-pronged end. One end has a little ball on the end, and the other end is pointed with a curve in the middle. The middle curve is actually where the blade is, and this is where the cutting motion is going to be. And the longer end is going to be placed underneath the thread. To use the seam ripper, we're going to insert the long end in between the fabric and the thread, and we're just going to pull up, and the blade will cut the thread for us. Once you've cut through that first stitch, you can then use the long end to gently pick the stitches out. Alternatively, you can also cut and pick apart the thread in the middle of a seam. And that was a quick intro to using seam rippers. I hope you found this video helpful. For more cosplay sewing tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!